welcome back, sisters. And for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Seductive. So let me get into this wig, y'all. Listen, I don't even really do the long hair like that, but this I had to do. And guess what? Beauty supply store, honey. Beauty supply store. Look at this curl pattern, y'all. Okay, so we about to get into this. So let me tell y'all what happened. Went to my local beauty supply store. I was like, oh, let me find a little short wig because it's so hot, and I'm just like, I don't want anything touching my neck. So my intentions were to go in there, get me a little short wig. Ended up with this. Literally, like, the girl talked me in to getting this. So this is the Iris REMY 360 wigs. Lace in the front and then a little bit in the back, but the middle is like tracks. Never heard of this hair company. I didn't do my research. Typically before I buy anything, I always do my research, but I kind of just went out on a whim because the girl was like, yeah, I got 4 of them. She was showing me pictures in her phone, everything. So I kind of took her advice for it. But it was so crazy because I literally YouTube reviews when I got home, and everybody was talking about how trash this hair was. Now they didn't have this particular style, but it was from this brand. But you know, everybody has a different experience. I know how to take care of hair. Not to say they didn't, but I know how to take care of hair. So yeah, so the box just tells you about a little bit about their hair and how to care for it, this, that, and the third. Now it's REMY hair. Typically I don't do REMY hair, and I've never really dealt with it, but so I know that it's not gonna last forever. But anyway, this is the Grace. This unit is called Grace, and it's 24 inches and it's in a 1B. So y'all can see that it is pretty long on me, and when I straighten it, it's gonna be even longer. So let me tell you about this. I'll insert some clips of me dealing with the hair. So this is only, I bleached the knots, I plucked a little bit, but the bleaching was not successful. Given the kind of hair it is, I don't know, but those knots were like super, super, super black, and it was so hard. Like I literally left on a developer the bleach for like 30 minutes, didn't really do anything. So, and as far as the hairline, I didn't want to go in and go ham and pluck because I just didn't know how the quality of this hair is. So I don't know if it's going to shed on its own. So I kind of just wanted to wait and see before I really go in and pluck it more. The texture is beautiful. Like I'm not getting any shedding per se. Not really. I haven't had any shedding. There aren't many tangles. The front, I will say, is a little bit looser texture than the back, but it's not a big deal. So I guess I'll take out this headband so y'all can see what it look like under here, honey. I attempted to do some baby hairs. Yeah, well, yeah, like I said, I didn't get to pluck it very much, but I mean, this isn't bad for a pretty thick. This was a thick hairline, y'all. Like, hairline is thick. The girl in the store lied to me though. She said it wasn't thick. It's definitely thick. It would look wiggy if I put it up, but it's cute. I'm super happy about the quality so far. Like I said, there were a lot of bad reviews on this hair. Don't buy, don't buy. We gonna try it out and see. Try to see how it looks if I try to put it up. Like I said, it has that lace in the back. So I don't know if y'all want me to do a video styling this hair. I can. I don't have any scrunchie with me, but there's a little bun. I guess. I mean, you can make it cute. Like, you can figure out how to make it cute. You can definitely finesse this hair. A lot of people are gonna want to know what the price is. I don't really want to tell y'all because I got it on sale. So, but I saw online that it ranges from like $4 something to $3.50. I didn't pay that, but yeah, that's what it's advertised for online. I ordinarily would not have paid as much for a beauty supply store wig, but because it was the 360 leg, I just want to try. I haven't I've been wanting to try it, and I know if I make it myself, it's gonna be a hot mess. If I go pay for it, it's gonna be expensive either way. So I was just like, let me just try it. It's already put together. So I mean, beginner friendly, I would give it a 6. 6 is not. Oh, and let me show y'all these knots. They, like I said, they did not bleach. So I mean, that ain't a big deal for me. I know how to, like I said, I can finesse that. Put some concealer. I do have on a stocking cap under here, so that helps. And then I put my powder on the lace too. So it's not, like I said, it's not terrible. I can deal with it. I know how to finesse it, but I'm going to definitely do an update for you guys so y'all can see how this hair held up. But honey, you can't beat this for beauty supply store hair. You can't. I definitely am feeling this. It's a little hot for the summer now. I'm gonna be honest. It's definitely a little hot, but I don't know. Oh, yes, yes. If you can deal with it, you know, this is like cute little cookout here. Like, hey y'all, what's up? Y'all got some more hot dogs? Okay, cool. Where the Henny at? Y'all got some Henny too? Oh, yeah, I'm there. I'm there. Yes, y'all. This is giving me life, honey. This is life all day. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. You guys are so lit. We almost at 500 subscribers. Got a giveaway coming soon. Y'all wait on that. Y'all wait on that. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.